We all have things that are important to us in this world. And in the case of videos with annotations, it would be quite tedious to type in each and every one, wouldn't it? That's why we were introducing the Backup Playlist Annotations tool. With this, you can just take a link from a playlist, or a link to the playlist itself, and from that, you can extract other videos from the playlist, or videos which are accessible through annotations. So here it tells us that it has a hunch that the playlist may have been scanned, but that just means that there's a snapshot of the playlist on the Wayback Machine. It doesn't necessarily mean that it has been scanned thoroughly for all of its annotations and links to other videos through annotations. So we're just going to hit yes. Let's give it a moment to read the playlist. 312 seems about right. As an example, we can specify a range of 1 to 100 for the first few videos. Now here it's going to ask us if we want a limit. Let's go with 10,000 videos. I don't think that the important videos playlist has that many outgoing annotation links anyway. A note here is that this is in addition to videos within the playlist. So what that means is if the playlist is 20 videos long and you type 100, it means that you're going to allow the program to scan those 20 links, but in addition it has permission to go after 100 links that have been linked through videos in that playlist. Now it's asking us if we would like to search for videos linked to the same channel, and like I've said in the previous tutorial, this is somewhat glitched, so please use it at your own risk. I'm going to ignore it for now. And again, same goes for mode 1 and mode 2. Mode 1 is generally vastly superior, so unless you can find a specific circumstance where 2 outperforms it, I highly recommend you go with 1. And there we go. It's going to slowly yet steadily back up our playlist. That's about it. Thanks for watching.